Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Make sure both devices run current OS builds and are unlocked. Connect the iPad to your MacBook Pro with the cable, or ensure both are on the same Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is on for wireless pairing. When the iPad prompts, tap Trust and enter your passcode. This authorizes file and backup access. Once trusted, open Finder on the MacBook. Your iPad appears in the sidebar. Select it to view syncing and backup controls. Make sure you're looking at the device summary before changing settings. You now configure what moves between devices. Start with backup. Pick backup to this Mac for full local control or iCloud for cloud continuity, and enable encryption if you need passwords saved. Move through the tabs: music, movies, TV shows, photos, files, books, and checkboxes for items to sync. For photos, decide whether to sync specific albums from the Mac or enable iCloud photos to keep a single library. Make sure to uncheck conflicting options to prevent duplicate copies. Once your options are set, click Apply or Sync to start transfer. You'll see a progress bar. Do not disconnect mid-sync. After completion, eject the iPad from Finder before unplugging the cable to avoid corruption. Verify photos, music, files, and settings on the iPad to confirm success. If things go wrong, restart both devices, try a different cable or USB port, and disable VPNs that might interrupt network sync. If Finder still won't recognize the iPad, check System Report for USB device presence and update drivers or Mac OS as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.